What's up, my people? It's your boy, Mr. Getting It Done. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things credit, real estate, and anything that has to do with wealth and prosperity. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get to it. So before I take off for the day, I wanted to make this quick video. Somebody asked me, like, how do I get into the rental business, right? How do you scale? How do you get started, right? So whenever you do rental, I've been in the rental business for a little while now. I've been able to purchase all of my rental vehicles in the name of my LLC, in my business name, not my personal name, where it doesn't affect my DTI and it doesn't affect my buying power on my personal side. It's all in my business name, okay? So I'm about to give y'all mentorship level information, right? And my mentor told me one time that revolutionized my life is that the thing that separates the rich from the poor is information, man. And I'm about to give you some nuggets right now. So whenever you want to get, so let's talk about some of the perks of having a vehicle in your business name. So one of those perks is when you put a vehicle in your business name is it doesn't affect your DTI on the personal side, your debt to income ratio, which basically means that any debt that you have on your personal credit report is in relation to the amount of money. It's factored into the amount of money that you make yearly, your salary. Okay, so let's say you make $100,000 a year and you have a couple of auto loans, a mortgage, a personal loan. Now your DTI is higher, which now puts you out of the running for any future credit until you pay down those limits on those loans, or you pay them off completely, right? So now, like, you're stumped. So if you wanted to take advantage of an opportunity or whatever, you wouldn't be able to do that because your DTI is too high unless you had the cash. Okay, so one, your DTI, it doesn't get affected when you have a business and when you have a vehicle in your business name. Two, it doesn't show up on your personal credit report. Okay, so it doesn't affect your DTI and it doesn't show up on your personal credit report. So those kind of go hand in hand. And then you're able to build your business credit while having a vehicle in your business name, right? So now you're building your business credit with an auto loan in your business name. So it allows you to go out and get other loans on behalf of your business using strictly your EIN number, which is the social security number for your business. So this is extremely important, dude. So many of us are like prideful, you know what I'm saying? We want it in our name. We want the registration to say our name. We want the auto loan in our name. My name, my name, my name. That's a poor person's mentality, man, because all rich and wealthy people know the name of the game is have nothing in your name and control everything. I'm almost certain you've heard that saying before, right? And it wasn't coined because it sounded cool. It's what people are actually doing. They're putting everything in their business name and not their personal name, and they're just controlling it, man. So that's how the wealthy move. So I'll share with you guys what I do and the bank that I utilize. So I utilize Bank of America, and I'm not affiliated with Bank of America. I don't like to bank drop. I don't like to give, not that I don't like to give credit when credit is due, but I don't like to give away the bank because now they're getting business, they're getting revenue off of me, and I'm not affiliated with them. So it's not like I'm hating on them. I just, you know what I'm saying? They got a lot of revenue because of me, and they just ain't sharing it with me. You know what I'm saying? So, I use Bank of America. They have what's called a business advantage loan. My man's mowing the lawn out there. I'm gonna keep going and see if y'all can hear me. Damn. I'll be right back. Let me close this door. Be right back. So like I was saying, I hope that's a little bit more quiet. I had to close my garage door and turn on my Exxon lights to finish this up. So I use the Bank of America Business Advantage loan, right? So for businesses, so Bank of America offers a loan that you can put, an auto loan for your business, where you can put up to 4 vehicles in your business name. They'll give you up to 4. So this is powerful because if you want to start a rental business, you can go to Bank of America. You can leverage your personal credit, right? If you don't have established business credit, you can leverage your personal credit. If you have a 680 or higher, I usually tell my mentees about a 720, get it done, no questions asked. So if you have a 720 and you have an LLC, right? And it can be a new LLC. It doesn't need to be an aged LLC for a couple years. It can be new, a fresh, brand new LLC. And if you're personally guaranteeing with a 720, you'll be able to get that Business Advantage auto loan, which you can go ahead and put the vehicle, whatever it is, into your business name. So the prerequisites as of the recording of this video is the vehicle has to be a 2018 or newer. It has to have less than 75,000 miles on it, right, in order for it to qualify. So what Bank of America is going to do is, if you have a vehicle in mind already, you give them the VIN number. They're going to look up the year, make, model. You give them the mileage, and then they're going to do an analysis on that vehicle, and they're going to come up with a price, a cash value price, and that's the amount that they're going to lend on. So if you're looking at a Honda Accord and the dealer has it at 30,000, and you give Bank of America that VIN number to that specific vehicle, they do the analysis, they'll come back and say, hey D, we're only going to give you 25,000 on that vehicle. That's the max that Bank of America is willing to lend on that specific vehicle based on the year, make, model, and mileage, right? So if the dealer has it for 30, Bank of America is only willing to lend you 25. You have to come up with the difference of the 5,000 plus taxes, fees, etc. Right? So that's how it works. And then Bank of America is going to give you an approval letter. You'll bring that approval letter to the bank. Excuse me, I lied. Bank of America is going to give you an approval letter. You bring that approval letter to the dealership, and the dealership will know exactly what to do with that letter. The beautiful thing about the Business Advantage loan is Bank of America has a bunch of dealers in your area that are in their network. So if you go, you can go to a dealer outside of their network, that's not a problem. But if you go to a dealership inside of their network, they're already accustomed to these pre-approval letters, so they'll know exactly what to do with them. It's a streamlined process depending on where you go, and you'll be in and out of there quick and rapido, you know what I'm saying? And you're out with your new car, you know what I'm saying, driving, business name, business insurance, ready to go get this money, right? So there it is right there. I hope a lot of you picked up what I just put down, right? That's exactly how you go when you put a vehicle in your business name. And I haven't heard anybody online talk about it just the way that I talked about it. I didn't go crazy in depth. I just gave you the sauce to go and actually execute on the information to go ahead and put a vehicle into your business name that builds your business credit, that doesn't report to your personal credit. I just gave you the blueprint, the sauce, straight to the point, right? I didn't want to make this video a lot longer than what it should be. So I've expanded my fleet just like that. Okay, I'm in my i8 right now, Roadster convertible, right? I got my Escalade, my Scat Pack, my Acura, my Kion, right? I got my Jeep Grand Cherokee. I got a bunch of vehicles that I've added to my fleet, to my rental fleet, that are in my business name. So, you know, how you just named more than 4 cars, D? Yes, I named more than 4 cars. Like I said in the beginning, Bank of America will lend you up to 4 cars per LLC. So if you have multiple LLCs, that means you can do 4 per LLC. Do the math. If you got 3 LLCs, that's 12 cars that they're willing to lend. Like, come on. So you got to leverage your personal credit if you do not have business credit established to go ahead and get these vehicles in your business name. Now, once they're in your business name and you're making payments and your paydex score goes up, which is the business credit score for your business, you want that to be at an 80 or higher. So paydex is not like the personal score. The FICO model goes from, I believe, 350 to 850, if I'm not mistaken. And then the paydex is from 0 to 100. So anything over 80 is considered excellent, right? So you want to make sure that you get to an 80 or above, and your business looks A1, steak sauce, let's go get it. So once you get to an 80 or higher, you can literally go out and start getting approved for high limit things, credit cards, loans, etc. Loans depending on, you know, what your business revenue is and stuff like that. But there it is, my people. That's how you go out and you purchase a vehicle in your business name with a big bank that I am not affiliated with, but I use them, and this works, okay? And I just gave you the blueprint and the sauce and some of the data points on what you need to go ahead and get a vehicle in your business name and not your personal name. Stop putting things in your personal name thinking that you're doing yourself a solid, because that's what you were conditioned to think and do when you came out the cradle from wherever you're from. Put everything in your business name, nothing in your name. Own everything. I lied. Own nothing, control everything. Remember that. Own nothing, control everything. And that starts with putting little things like this as a car in your business name and not your name. Remove your liability, right? Banks are gonna lend to businesses more than what they're gonna lend to you on the personal side. Keep your credit profile structured properly. Don't add any more debt that you don't need to add. We need to build out our personal profiles when we first start out to put us in a position to go out and borrow money to get things like this in the business name. And that's cool. But once you have your personal profile already built out and structured properly with all the correct data points, then you go out and start making these power moves and you don't look back. So there it is, my people. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I hope everyone is beautiful. Stay healthy. Stay vigilant. Keep smashing your goals. It's 2023. Put your foot on the gas. Don't let anybody else deter you from you reaching your goals, man. Nobody can see your dream but you. That vision that you have is for you and you only. And it's your job to make sure that you bring that vision into fruition. No one's going to build your dreams. You have to. Okay? So until the next one, my beautiful people, stay strong, stay beautiful, and I'll catch you.